Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro gain 0.3% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's semiconductor index lost over $480 billion in stock market value on Wednesday and headed for its worst session since 2022 after a report said Washington was mulling tighter curbs on exports of advanced semiconductor technology to China. British inflation defied forecasts for a slight fall and held at 2% in June, while strong underlying price pressures prompted investors to reduce expectations that the Bank of England will cut interest rates in 2 weeks' time for the first time since 2020. Over one-third of the Bitcoin owed to defunct creditors of the Mt. Gox exchange has already been distributed, but large Bitcoin holders continue their buying spree unfazed. More than $9.4 billion worth of Bitcoin is owed to approximately 127,000 Mt. Gox creditors.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's claimant count change will be released at 6 GMT. Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 4:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.